Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. I am so glad that you have joined us today. We're going to be making a summer special, a refreshing mango sorbet with only 4 ingredients. Yep, you heard me right, 4 ingredients. So come on, let's get this show on the road. Today's ingredients are 500 grams of frozen mango and 1 tin of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. Pour 3/4 of the tin of coconut milk into your food processor. Start mixing the coconut milk on a medium speed and then add the 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. Put the frozen mango and lemon juice into a blender and blend until smooth. Add the frozen mango and lemon juice to the coconut milk and stir it together really well until it's really nicely incorporated. Spoon the mixture into a Tupperware container that has a lid and make sure just to shake it so it doesn't have any air pockets. Cover the container and place it in the freezer and leave it until it is firm and nicely frozen. As you can see, the sorbet is a beautifully soft scoop mango sorbet, and you serve it in nice tall glasses and it's absolutely delicious. Enjoy this beautiful summer recipe.